Were you thinking of greeting the family head from your sick beds? Thank using greets the branch family head. This man must be the head of the Nine Dragon branch family, Tang Hunwi's father. Tang Hunwi greets the branch family head. Tang Ho Shen. That's Junior Lord, you must be careful. I thought he would have gotten weaker after the Whirlwind Squad has disbanded. To think he has accomplished this much, I can also tell, even if he specializes in leading large organizations, he is still the leader of the Tang Clan's special martial unit. I thought the Whirlwind Squad's leader would only be as strong as the elders of the Heavenly Demon cult. But seeing him now, he is much stronger than that. I am not certain I could have defeated him in my past life as Yon Won-hee. Your gaze shows your dissatisfaction. Is there something you wish to tell me? Was I studying so obviously? Still, I was curious why the branch family head is here. Is there anywhere in the Nine Dragon branch family that I can't go? I was concerned we might have dirtied the branch family head's eyes with our inadequate duel. I can feel everyone's shock. Even my sister is drenched in cold sweat. Stop, Hunwi. Well, it's no wonder that abandoned bastard Tang Hunwi is talking back to the head of the Nine Dragon branch family. But from Tang Hunwi's residual memories and from seeing him with my own eyes, I can tell this man Tang Hoshan is a true man of the Tang clan. Indeed, I did not find the duel interesting whatsoever. Is that how a father should speak to his children? Still, I heard you have had a change in personality. It's better than I expected. Though another child was disappointing. Tang on, Tang Jin, Tang Tai. Your reaction was slow. Train yourself with more devotion. Yes. Dismiss the audience. Let the house members and deal with the aftermath. Understood. Why do you look so down? Because we are still too weak to catch Father Sai and gain his interest. Are you okay, Hunwi? Well, the branch family head has always been that way. After ignoring his second trial for so long, he suddenly gained interest after I showed potential. As for the third born whom he had held for so long, his interest immediately vanished when he became disappointed. Sorry, I shouldn't have asked. I should have known that you aren't fond of father. Anyway, aren't you hungry, sister? Wanna grab a drink together after we change? This is what life is about. You drink and eat like you starved for days. Don't they serve you meals in Quencheng sect? They do. They give me lots of grass. Oh, it's one of those Taoist temples. At my age, I should be eating plenty of meat and drinking lots of alcohols. This is why you shouldn't become a stupid ascetic monk. Understood, Hunwi? Sure. Here another cup. Good. Keep pouring more. Speak of the Quencheng sect. What kind of person is your eldest senior brother? Senior brother? Why are you bringing him up? You mentioned him quite a few times in your letters. Why wouldn't I be curious? Stop it. Didn't you mention he's coming to the clan head's visit as a guest from the Quencheng sect? I should learn more about him now and him treat adequately when we met. You have mastered the weak tricks of the Tang clan members. The fact that the Quencheng sect's eldest disciple, Ye Chul Sen, is visiting is something to be careful of. There is a rumor that the Dark Sovereign's purpose for visiting the Nine Dragon branch family is to find a new special martial unit like the Whirlwind Squad. If that rumor is true, then countless sects around Suichen province will come to monitor or prevent it. That's also true for the Quencheng sect, which has had a long relationship with the Tang clan, and the fact that they are sending Tang Gyuzin's elder senior brother to visit the Nine Dragon branch family means they do not trust her. I don't think she has realized that though. Over here. Oh, did your drinking friend arrive? You should have held back in the training grounds. We are finally done cleaning up. Uncle gone. Young Lady Gyujin, I was impressed by your growth. I didn't expect to see you manifest so energy. Thank you very much, Uncle. Unhui, why didn't you tell me Uncle Changon was kind? You never asked me who it was. You brat. Please take a seat, Uncle. Oh, thank you. You sure have ordered a lot of today as usual. I just hope you didn't order it in my name, did you? Oh, can I do that next time? Did you bang your head somewhere? Unvi, why are you being so friendly with Uncle? Don't you know what kind of person Uncle Gon is? They haven't finalized it yet, but he is basically your father's own brother. He rescued father from the fearless danger during the bloody Quencheng battle, and the clan had personally given him his warrior title. Instructor. No, Uncle Tengon. What's the matter? I didn't know about your relationship with father and apologize for the great discourtesy I have shown. Please accept my sincere apologies. Nicely done, Wanvi. I'm sure he will forgive you your transgressions with that sincere apologies. What on earth are you doing? How revolting. Did you tell him to do that, young lady Gyuzi? Anyway, instructor, what were the reaction of the righteous when whole member says former Whirlwind Squad members? How many points do you think they gave? Full points. You are so arrogant. Am I wrong? Fine, you are correct. I knew it. Because of this spar, I have earned the interest of the former Whirlwind Squad members Tang Gyusin and the Tang Hossein. The only issue left is Namgyung Sen Yong. That owl has might scheme something before the Dark Sovereign's visit. Just how much longer until we get there? I didn't expect us to come this far. If I get too far, he might think that I ran away and killed me. Oh, it stopped. Did we reach our destination? We came without informing the temple, so I wonder if the Templars are present. Temple? So this is where the person who put the toxic cinnabar in Junior Lord's medicine is. Such strong dark energy. Just who on earth is this Namgyung and collaborating with? Thank you for coming this far, follower Namgyung. The Master Templar informed me you were coming. The Master Templar knew of my coming. Their spiritual connection always surprises me. That's the wait inside. Please wait to enter. An advanced Jingxi.